Hello and welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be walking around the golden Nugget. We have done a walk around about a week ago, but now we've took the carpets out and I'm going to show you how much rust is on a 270,000 mile BMW. Now every E34 is going to be different, obviously. We know a 190 540 manual that was as rotten as a pear, but we do know some 200,000 ones which are quite clean, so this is not a given, this is just our experience. So we're going to have a look around. So we're going to go into the car and we can see that the inner sill is rusty. Get to the other side, oh, and it started to work now, the light has. We can see it's rusty down there as well. Now the light's on, I might flip over to back to the other side and you can see down there. So what we saw,
the bulkheads as well.
Yeah, the bulkhead.
Drains.
A drain.
Which is, you can see, just...
I've got that.
Have you got that?
Just about.
Yeah, it's just behind the wiring there. Just follow my finger,
Yeah.
and just there, in the corner.
Yeah, there's some rust there. But we're not alarmed when we pop.
No.
So now I'm going to take it to the front again and we're going to do under the car so you can see what that's like. I'm trying my new stick today. We can extend you out and you can plonk you under the car. Wow, that's good. And we can take around the other side. And begin. As you can see, you can also see we've got no jacking points. They've been blocked off by one side. Is that right, Pa?
Oh, that's correct, yeah.
But all the jacking points will be reinstated because it's a pain in the bum trying to jack a car with no jacking point. And we're back to the other side again. So that is some of the rusty shoes. Down here there's a hole, and there's a hole on that side, and there's a hole there as well. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. It should do. So yep, that'll need sorting. Down here is good, but it all needs grinding out anyway. So that's some of the, well, that's all the bodily rusty shoes. I thought I'd put a picture up. Yeah, and I'll just show you the front cross member as well. But this does get a lot of battering. I don't think I actually looked, but it does get a lot of battering, so it's going to be rusty. So I'm going to stick you under again. And that's the front cross member. I've got some grass on my stick. So, and we have walked here around the car, you know, sort of pretty much what's happening on the outside. But like people's asking what the shell was like, so I thought I'd do a walk around of the shell. It's only a quick video, unscheduled really. I just wanted to try my new stick out and get a video out of the shell. So tomorrow I'll be doing a video, an in-depth video of why we'll be repairing this E34 Touring, where you could just go out and buy a better one with less rust and all that, but I'll be explaining all that in our next video, which will be dropping tomorrow. Yeah, we'll be dropping tomorrow. So I'd like to say thanks for watching, and until next time, bye bye.